Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport for those of you who want to fly in and come and take a look at something in person. Today, we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, and we are now the official Morgan dealership franchise here in the state of Minnesota. So if you're looking for something that's built by Morgan, we are the people that you give a call. But today we're going to talk about our latest one. This is the new Super 3 Morgan. They've been building automobiles since in the early of the 19th century, 1915, 1990, right in that era. And they've been making things ever since. But this is their latest edition, and is it really neat one? You're going to want to watch this video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start, a walk around, give you all the ideals, things that this car has that not everybody else has. This is actually a very well manufactured, handmade vehicle, to say the least. It's not a kit car by any stretch of the imagination. It is really something that's very unique. Now you can click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website where you'll have more information on the pricing and other information on this vehicle, plus have access to our over 100 additional vehicles we currently have on the sales floor here at Ellingson Motor Cars. Remember our website being www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Well, let's get into the details. This is the newest idea that Morgan came out with. It's a Super 3. It is really something very, very special. It's just something that, you want something different than anybody else. The UK, that's right where this thing is built. Built right over in England and shipped over there right to our doorstep any way you would like. Under the hood, of course, everyone asks, well, what kind of a motor does it have? Well, it has a 1.5 liter, what they call Dragon engine, inline 3-cylinder, plenty of horsepower for this vehicle, needless to say, and it gets almost 40 miles to the gallon. Talk about something that you can have fun with, sporty, goes down the road, and it's got a 5-speed manual transmission. But yes, these things really have a nice, it's just everything is attention to detail. It is just the way you can order these is many, many different ways. You can get different wheels and tires. This happens to have the, gray matching colored alloy wheels, which is really neat. I love the big headlights in the front with the turn signals. You can see all the suspension in here. It's kind of really got a great look to it. And of course, they've got the Morgan emblem that's been with them for many, many years. These side panels are here, so directs the air right into the radiator, keeps everything cool under the hood, whatnot. It does have an interesting feature. Again, there are a lot of different options. Outside mirrors, you can have the short windshield screens here, but it's got the outside bags, if you will. So if you want to go travel lightly, but you want to bring something with you, that really gives you kind of a neat thing to carry stuff right on the side. Look at the interior on this car. It is just spectacular. Really, really neat. They call this ice green on the outside, and this is typhoon green leather interior. This is, again, another one of the options that you could have with these are the dual roll bars, if you will. Again, it's a safety element. Of course, turn signals, brake lights, all that kind of stuff. And this is a trunk area right here where you can put the tonneau cover and whatnot, because that does have one of those in the event you get caught where you have to worry about rain. Interesting stickers and extra strobing. They are really done the way you want. This happens to be really well optioned vehicle. It has lots and lots of different things that not every one of these has, but it really is kind of cool. Yes, let's take a closer look at the inside here. As I said, it is a leather interior. Does have under the passenger seat, there's a little glove box with a locking key if you got something you want to lock up. But yes, everything is kind of neat because you can do different options. They have these different mounts for if you want to have a camera on here, other things that you want. You can have one there, you can have one here. They have the neat instrument panel that, of course, you got outside lights. Actually, this one has, I believe it might even have heated floor inserts down in the bottom. So you can really, a little more comfortable, if you will, with the little windscreens here. They even have a helmet and it's painted to match the vehicle. What a neat deal it is. And again, they said you can put a tonneau cover it if you leave it parked or in storage or whatnot. But yeah, starts right up. This is just really a slick little rig, needless to say. But I mean, it's that open air experience. That's kind of what it is. You can sit next to your friend or your wife or whoever you want to go with. I mean, it's just that very unique experience. Now, you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much. You have all the information on this particular vehicle and our current inventory, plus an added bonus. You'll have access to some of the cars we sold over the last several years as well. So if you got time to peruse those websites, fun thing to do. Now, it's one of those things that I say, where do you find this information on this? Well, that's why you go to our website or you give us a call. You can call us at 763-428-7337, and we'll be happy to answer any and all questions you may have about this particular vehicle or any of our other vehicles we have in stock. As I said, this is the way this came. I mean, this ice green is just really a good looking color, but there are lots of other color combinations that you can do. Let us help you design the way you want it done, because there are a lot of options that you can have. This happens to have a lot of nice ones, but maybe you like different colors. We have different colors available, different interiors, all kinds of neat stuff to really make it your own special vehicle. The other thing I say, when you have something like this, you want to join, I'm sure there's an International Morgan Club. I mean, obviously this is one of their newer models, but you get people who enjoy Morgans. The British always have interesting stuff, and this is obviously a very interesting vehicle, needless to say. So the other thing you can go to is our website. Someone says, well, how do I get financing on something like this? Well, right on our website, on the toolbar across the top, it says inventory, and it has the word financing. We have sources for getting financing for any of our vehicles on our sales floor, and we can help you with that as well. Shipping, we can ship cars any place in the world. It doesn't matter. We have connections for getting that done for you as well. But if you want to come in person, to me, it's always nice to come and see us here right at Ellingson Motor Cars. Come on down. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4. For those of you who just got to come and touch, feel, make sure we're real. We guaranteed we are real. Definitely is the case. Well, I'm just saying, if you're looking for a different experience, you're kind of like that open air motorcycle feel, but you know what? You want a little more stability, whatever. You want to feel a little more safe. I mean, this thing even has seat belts, of course. Just one of those extra things. How many motorcycles have seat belts? Probably not too many. But yes, it's something that if you're looking for something unique, something really special, let us help you design it. Let us help you find what it is. This happens to be a really value-priced one, so that's really a good opportunity. If you love the color, like the options, give me a call, 763-428-7337, and we'll do our very best to answer any and all questions you may have. Well, thank you again for enjoying this for us, it's a new endeavor here at Ellingson Motor Cars, being the franchisee up here in northern Minnesota, or North America. And we are here to service anyone's needs when it comes to Morgans. Thank you kindly, and we'll see you again next time at EllingsonMotorCars.com.